Chapter 15, sample problem number 6. In each case, a block hanging from a string is suspended in liquid. All the blocks are the same size, but they have different masses, labeled as MB, because they are of different materials. All of the containers have the same volume of liquid, but the masses of the liquids are vary, labeled ML, since the liquids are different. The volume of the blocks is 1/6 the volume of the liquids. And we are asked to rank the volume of the liquid that has been displaced by the blocks. But the volume displaced by the volume of liquid that's been displaced was displaced by the blocks, so in each case it's equal to the volume of the block. And since the blocks are the same size, then they have the same volume, and you end up with the kind of strange answer that A is the same as B, is the same as C, is the same as D. Or you could check the all the same box. It is important that this is because they are suspended. They're not floating. If they were floating, then the fraction in the water would be related to the density of the water. But here we know they're all submerged because they're being held up by these strings. The strings are taut, so we know we're not floating at the top. Yeah, we could talk a little bit about the force that must be exerted, the buoyant force, but we don't know the tension of the string, so that wouldn't get us anywhere. It really comes down to just the geometry of it. Since the water is displaced by the blocks, and the block is the same in every case, then the volume of water that's been displaced is the same in each case.